Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna helper tetrazzini. First, gather your ingredients. 1 box of tuna helper tetrazzini, 1 can of tuna, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you have a large skillet and a baking dish ready. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process, allowing you to focus on each step without interruption. Having everything measured and at hand saves time and makes the experience more enjoyable for everyone involved. Next, follow the package directions to cook the pasta. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil in your large skillet, then add the pasta and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes or until tender. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Now, in the same skillet, whisk together the sauce mix from the box with 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly until it thickens. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the drained tuna and the cooked pasta back into the skillet with the thickened sauce. Stir gently until all the ingredients are evenly coated and well combined. Once mixed, transfer the entire contents of the skillet into a 2-quart baking dish. Spread the mixture evenly to ensure consistent baking. This step brings all the delicious components together before the final cooking stage. Finally, bake your tetrazzini. Place the baking dish into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's bubbly and lightly browned on top. Once baked, let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. This allows the sauce to set, making each spoonful perfect and preventing it from being too runny. Garnish with fresh parsley if desired for a touch of color and flavor. For more great deals and to find the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade tuna helper tetrazzini, a comforting meal for any day of the week that's sure to please everyone at your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.